What traveling taught me about gratitude, healing and perspective, faith and life reflections. Sometimes, it takes leaving your normal routine to find what really matters. Whether it's a simple day trip or a journey far away, travel has a way of healing what we didn't even know was hurting. Travel reminds us how big God is. When you stand in front of a mountain, or hear waves crashing against the shore, you're reminded that the God who made this world also made you, with purpose. Travel opens your heart to awe. It silences worry with wonder. It helps you let go of stress. When we get stuck in the same environment, it's easy to stay in cycles of stress, fear, and frustration. But getting away, even briefly, gives your mind a break and your soul space to breathe. It helps you reset. Gratitude grows on the road. Have you ever returned home from a trip and looked at your kitchen, your bed, your shower, and whispered, "Thank you, Lord"? Travel doesn't just show us what we lack, it shows us what we already have. People everywhere have struggles and strengths. Whether you're visiting a quiet village or a big city, you'll find people with their own stories, their own trials, and their own joy. Travel teaches compassion. It reminds us we're all human, all connected, and we all need grace. Healing isn't always loud. Sometimes, healing looks like sitting in silence with a view. Sometimes, it's walking along a trail with tears in your eyes. And sometimes, it's realizing you're finally ready to let go. Final reflection. You don't need a passport to find peace. You don't need a big budget to find healing. All you need is to step outside your current space and let God meet you there. Take the walk. Book the trip. Sit by the water. Let him speak to you in the stillness. Has travel ever changed your perspective? Leave a comment below and tell us how. And if this video encouraged you, like and share it with someone else who needs a reset. Subscribe for weekly moments of faith, motivation, and real-life reflection.